Hello world, this is Aiden, the technical evangelist at Losant, and today I'm here to tell you about our latest platform update. In this release, we are providing our users with new insights into the health and performance of their workflows in Losant with the introduction of workflow metrics and error reporting. Having access to this information is going to provide for a deeper level of understanding of your workflows and can help with everything from optimization to troubleshooting and root cause identification when errors do occur. In addition, we are introducing dashboard data transformations, which enables expression support within various dashboard blocks, allowing you to transform your device's raw data directly from the dashboard without the need for additional workflows. Now, let's take a look at both of these new features within Losant. First up, we have workflow metrics. Workflow metrics provide high-level statistics about the usage and performance of a workflow. To access these metrics, when working within a workflow editor, simply click on the Metrics tab to the right to open that pane. The Metrics tab is divided into two sections. The top section contains workflow run statistics, which provide insight into this workflow's execution counts and timing. This data is useful to understand how frequently your workflow is being triggered, or if it's being triggered at all. It can also help you understand how many times a particular output was generated, and if too much or too little data is being produced. Below the workflow run statistics, you can view the average runtime for your workflow. Workflows have a maximum execution time of 60 seconds, and in most cases you'll want to stay well under that to avoid any timeouts. The timing data displays how long it takes your workflow to execute, so you can make informed implementation choices when optimizing execution times. You can use this average runtime metric to understand when you might be approaching that maximum timeout limit, and if you need to diversify your workflows to offload some critical tasks. And remember, as a pro tip, workflows can actually invoke other workflows using the workflow trigger node. This provides a mechanism to reduce those execution times by offloading those tasks to separate workflows. Below the workflow metrics, the bottom of the pane now displays a record of workflow errors. Because it would be impossible to account for every error during the development of your workflow, having a place to gain visibility into new and unexpected errors is important. This section makes it easy to identify the source of errors so that they can be addressed as part of an ongoing maintenance of a production Losant application. Any node execution that results in a path failed that's logged in the above portion of this pane is logged in your metrics as an error. Prior to this, you would need to be monitoring the workflow and debug nodes and troubleshoot manually, likely leading you to miss an error. This feature now allows you to identify the root cause of your error by providing error descriptions and providing a direct link to the node that resulted in a particular execution error. This allows you to figure out where errors are occurring in your workflow with context, and it can assist with troubleshooting and even support requests when coming to the Losant forums. For our final key update of this release, let's talk about dashboard data transformations. Often, the units that you choose for your device's attributes are not always the same units you'd like to display to your users. To accommodate this difference, many dashboard blocks now support expressions, which allow you to transform your device's raw data before being displayed. Expressions are now supported in the following dashboard blocks: your time series graph, your bar and pie charts, as well as your gauge blocks. Expressions look and work just like a mathematical formula. In this example, our devices are measuring and reporting temperature in degrees Celsius. But let's say our end user is located in North America and would prefer units to be displayed in Fahrenheit. Where before, you could perform this data manipulation by leveraging a new workflow with, say, the math node. Now we can input that same mathematical expression directly into a gauge blocks configuration. The conversion expression in this case is simply the value reported by the device, in this case in degrees Celsius, times 9/5 plus 32. And just like that, we are now displaying the temperature in our desired units right in our dashboard. And of course, there's always more. Please check out the details around this product release in the below blog. And as always, we really care about your feedback. With your input and ideas combined with our roadmap, we can continue to build the best IoT platform for you, our users. Let us know what you think in the Losant forums. Until next time, stay connected.